Let's bring in ABC News contributor Dr. Todd Ellerin now from South Shore Health for a little bit more on the medical side of all this. Dr. Ellerin, always great to have you. U.S. beach volleyball player Taylor Crabb tested positive at the Olympics. Now he says that he was careful and he was vaccinated. Now in Provincetown, Massachusetts, more than 2/3 of at least 132 people who tested positive over the weekend are said to be fully vaccinated. We heard about some of those Democrats on their way to D.C. also testing positive. A few baseball players that have tested positive, all saying they're fully vaccinated. So how worried should we be about these so-called breakthrough infections when you get infected despite being fully vaccinated?
Diane, this really is a battle between vaccines and the Delta variant. The vaccines are molecular shields, but since only 50% of the country is vaccinated this time, we really may need some additional layers of safety, like masking, in order to kind of decrease this. But here's the good news. Even though the vaccines may have some reduced effectiveness at preventing infection, they are all so good at decreasing the risk of hospitalization and severe illness. So we know what we have to do to prevent severe disease, and we just need to do it.
Now, new cases have tripled in the last month in the U.S. California is reporting numbers they haven't seen since the winter surge 5 months ago. So are we heading back to mask mandates or even lockdowns?
The answer is we've already seen some mask mandates in certain parts of the country. I don't think we're going to get to national mask mandates, but let's face it, if you have the Delta variant that's spiraling out of control and you want to keep our kids in school, if we want to keep our businesses open, if adding masking is that extra layer of safety along with vaccination, I do think it's a small price to pay for keeping things open. So I do think we're going to see more masking. I don't think we're going to have a masking mandate this summer.
And the CDC advisory panel is meeting today to discuss the need for coronavirus boosters. What do you think will come from that meeting?
This is really important. I think the thing I'd say is, and I want to give, my personal experience, we don't have a lot of people in the hospital right now, but the sickest patients are really those immunocompromised patients that haven't responded as well to the 1 or 2 dose vaccines. I'm really hoping that the CDC does give a green light for allowing immunocompromised patients to get a booster. But, there's still not a lot of evidence there. So it's hard to know what they're going to do. As far as the general population, the bottom line is that the vaccine is working and it's preventing hospitalizations. So I think that's key.
All right, Dr. Todd Ellerin, always great to have you. Thank you.
Take care, Diane.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.